Traditional art, and it started in the Hittite period in this town, and it passed father to son, mother to daughter. This area is a volcanic area, that's why there's no farming a lot, so we have to learn how to make pottery or weaving the carpets in this area. For making the potteries, we are using two kinds of clay. One is red, like he's using now, and we obtain it from the Red River's old riverbed. That's the longest river in Turkey. After we shape it, we let them dry for about 15 days. If they dry perfectly without any crack, we polish it and then we fire it in the kilns for about 8 hours in 950 degrees Celsius. This form created for the sun goddess. It's going to be like this one here.
Oh wow.
This is the most difficult shape, most difficult form. That's why it's a target for the beginners. If they can make this form, means they are masters, they are top. So this circle here represents the sun, of course. Before the ceremonies to the sun goddess, they fill it with maybe grape juice, maybe wine, maybe that sort of things. Little spice also they add into that. And then keep it at the outside, on a little high place. When the sun sets, the lights pass through from the hole and make the wine special, or the liquid special. For serving, on their wrist like this, they serve to their guest and drink it. They believe the sunlight goes into their body by drinking that wine, and they get health because of that.
Wow.
If you drink wine, you can drink as much as you want, because even you're drunk, you can't drop the bottle. It's very special. Now he's making the circle part. This part is very interesting. Let's see.
The circle part?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
The most difficult part. And he's going to attach the pieces each other now. Normally, for this process, we wait about 1 day, because it's too soft now. Just for demonstrating, he's attaching. As you watched, he didn't measure the pieces also, just by eyes. But all the pieces fits each other perfectly. This is going to be the handle.
Shape,
like
everything.
You see.
Wow, bravo.
And the important part is the circle part, as I told you before. It must be empty. So now he's going to cut it in half, and we are going to see, is it empty or not?
Wow.
As you can see, it's empty. And the both sides, thickness is very important, like you see. Interior circle, outer circle, both sides has same thickness. If it's not like that, thinner part dries faster and it's broken.
Oh, okay.
So just shaping is not important. So it must be perfect.
Can I try to do one?
Of course.
Is it too difficult?
Actually, little bit.
It is?
Yes. It's not that easy.
Okay. So stylish. كتير لذيذ. أول مرة بعمل هيك شيء، كتير لذيذ، بس صعب. هو بس عملها حسيتها هي شيء بالحياة، بس منا أبدا هينة، ولازم الواحد بس يجي لهون يحط شيب براسه. أنا نسيت، مش هيك ما طلع معي شيء.
After first firing, it's like a white paper, as you can see.
Yeah.
By using brush and freehand, we draw the designs on it, and then we paint it, like you see here. and then we put the glaze on it. This glaze prepared by using quartz. It's the raw material of glass, actually. After we apply on it, we fire again. We put it to the kiln again. After firing 12 hours, 1060 degrees Celsius, it comes out shiny like this part. All the colors change, like you see. This purple turns to cobalt blue, and the other red color becomes brighter, and it's not possible to make exactly the same one again.